Bill from Vac Lab here, and I've got one for canister fans, classic canister fans. Got my 1980 Electrolux Olympia 1, and I've got the new vinyl hose on, so I have more CFM than the machine was probably ever designed to really have. And we've got the bare floor tool on here. Let's take a look at this for a minute. See my test setup over there. So this thing has bristles that go all the way across in the front and the back. Large air hole. There's some air relief on the ends here, here. But the problem is, if you go and you run this perfectly flat, it's just going to stick to the floor, and it's definitely not going to pick anything up. So what I've kind of figured out for the decades that I've owned this thing is what you got to do is when you push forward, you got to tilt it up a little bit, and then when you pull it backwards, you got to tilt it up and back. The rug tool right here I tend to use on some bare floors, but unfortunately when you do that, you get kind of an awful scraping noise that I'm not real fancy about here. It's like, oh, I don't want to hurt this thing. Now maybe that's a better way to do it, and I'm pretty sure using this on a bare floor, because of the little holes right here, this little scraper right here, probably is going to work better. But I know this is really supposed to be used on rugs. This I can't use on my medium pile carpet because when I go to push it, it just sticks. I mean, it sticks down there and you can move the carpet, but you can't move this on top of the carpet. So this is actually useless on carpet. It just doesn't move. So let's see what happens. So I tilted the wand back so it was kind of like popping a wheelie. And with 15 extra CFM, and this machine has a right to have because of the vinyl hose, that's a pretty good job. Got a little bit of sand. That's not much. Did a great job because it had a lot of airflow over that small nozzle right here. So if you tilt up that bare floor tool right here, there's enough airflow to easily get pretty much everything. I'm not seeing much. There might be a grain of sand here or there, but this is clean. Oh, that's an A. This one right here on the horizontal part of the floor, maybe an A minus. Tiny bit of sand. It obviously got everything else up, and it certainly doesn't kick anything back. So, really wonderful performance from this 37-year-old masterpiece. Just remember to get the vinyl hose. Makes a big difference. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.